Hi, Peter. Good to see you again today.
Hi, Sheila. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Yeah, I thought today we could talk a little bit about the finance industry. This is a new industry for me. You know, I came out of the automotive and defense engineering areas. So maybe you could brief me and the audience here on how Applied Safe could be used in financial institutions.
Sure. As I'm coming from Credit Suisse and I have an account finance, I studied financial markets as well. So yeah, I know a little bit about that and how this is done in the financial industry.
It seems like financial institutions have successfully and effectively integrated Applied Safe into their processes. Maybe you could comment a little bit about what you've seen and the companies you've worked with and what kinds of results they've been able to achieve.
Yes, there are large financial industry companies like insurances and banks, of course, as well. And mostly they have to comply with the regulations. One of the famous regulations are SOX requirements, especially they're coming from the United States. And they are talking about some measures on the financial side as well. But if you look at it from a perspective of development, where the Scaled Agile Framework is lying in as well, it's mostly about trust. So the regulators are asking you something and you give a promise as a bank or an insurance company, and then they will ask you, can I trust your promises? So it's about predictability, risk management, and so forth. So you need to have these measures in place, and you need to have a decent risk management, which is provable as well. So we have decision analysis recording and other stuffs in the financial institutions, but otherwise it's more or less pure safe.
Could you maybe comment a little bit about PEDCO and how you've worked alongside with these companies? How did you help the enablement of their success?
Yeah, as financial institutions have a long-term experience in handling regulated environments and dealing with processes. They're large systems, usually large companies, so they have quality management systems in place and they know what quality management means. So you will interact with people which are extremely on a high level with that. So it's more or less straightforward that you tell them, hey, there is a new quality management system in a lean agile manner as Applied Safe is, and you just train them in how it's meant to be engineered. That's the Applied Safe engineering training, and how it's meant to be the quality management in a agile manner as well. So it is a 2 days training for quality management as well. And then usually those teams and departments are able to do the changes for Applied Safe for themselves. Of course, we help them to jumpstart if that is needed, but usually they're so good that they can take it over right away after the training.
Yeah, that's really excellent. I'm always excited to learn, especially in this area, because this is new to me, just about the financial industry kind of agile journey. So it's exciting to see that there's been some positive application of Applied Safe in this area. And I guess as we close out our conversation today, any further comments that you have?
Yeah, if you're a company in the financial area, this is something that you can do for your company as well. It's a repetitive process and you can do that as well.
Thanks, Peter. Great conversation. I learned some things here.
Thanks a lot, Sheila. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.